Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got in one of our 7x16 Colorado off-road trailers. This one is in our matte gray blackout package. You guys can view all of our off-road trailers at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. You guys can also reach us at 303-688-8485. This one is again 7x16, 7-foot interior height, tall enough for most RZRs, UTVs, side-by-sides out there. And these are true off-road trailers. They have 19 inches worth of ground clearance underneath them, so they're a lot taller, and we also have a lot more bigger tire and wheel on these units as well. So this one has their side door moved back, so this is also a great unit if you guys are looking to do a build out on the interior. Comes with a front generator box and platform on the front, place for your generator to ride. You also have a side swivel jack, removable front coupler. This whole entire end piece right here pulls out and removes. It's great if you guys want to add an articulating hitch. It's also great for anti-theft because you can pull that out when you're storing it. You do have a 30 amp twist lock plug right there on the front, so a place for you to plug your generator directly into the trailer, just like what a camper is. You do have the RV lock and cam bar on your side door. Again, let me zoom out here a little bit for us. Party lights on the outside. You also have rear load lights on the back, so you've got some exterior lighting. Aluminum roof rack and ladder. It's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, so you've got some exterior storage up there as well. And then two 32-inch Mudterrain tires, brakes on all fours, American racing wheels, and you also have two 3,500-pound torsion axles under this unit. It weighs about 3,500 pounds, so you guys will have about a 3,500-pound payload capacity. You do have stabilizer jacks underneath, rear ramp door of course, and this also has a rear deck option on it, so you can use it as a ramp door or you can use it as a rear deck and have some exterior space there. There's those load lights that I told you about. We're going to go on the interior here. Again, it is a 7-foot interior height. This is an insulated trailer as well, so we've got insulated walls and ceiling in here. And then battery with a battery box and a battery charger. This little battery right here is awesome. It's going to run your exterior lighting for you. So the load lights off the back, party lights, and it also runs your interior puck lights. So you guys can see we've got those on here as well. And then you do have your 30 amp breaker box right there. It does come with 4 D-rings. You've got 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. AC unit with a heat strip here on top. 2 4-foot overhead LED lights, and then you also have right here a roof vent with the Maxxair bubble cover over it, so you've got the extra protection. And back up here, a couple of windows. These are our 18x44 slider windows with screens. They're tinted and lockable, so you guys can have some good versatility there and some good ventilation throughout the trailer. And then you can see all these awesome little puck lights running off the battery. And then also our Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. This is an amazing floor. It's super durable. Underneath is a product called Drymax, which is a water resistant product, so it will not absorb the water and moisture like a wood floor will. So superior floor as far as that goes. And there's those 2 more additional D-rings. Plus you've got some interior outlets in here. It looks like 4. You've got 2 on this wall, and then 1 on the front wall and another one here on this left wall. So here it is. Again, you can check us out at getmytrailer.com. Send us an email. It's the best place to reach us nowadays, sales@getmytrailer.com. Or you can always try reaching us at 303-688-8485. Be sure to like and subscribe.